Hey guys, one additional thing I wanted to show you that I forgot when you're creating or designing your Santa plates and glasses is to make sure you save your project. And that way, if you get someone that wants to order one or you want to make some for your family members or coworkers or friends, then you have the template already in Cricut Design Space and you just go and make your changes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace my Santa. And so I'm going to go here and select the Santa and I'm going to delete it. Then I'm going to upload and I'm going to bring in this cute little Santa right here. And then I can take that and make it whatever size you like it. And then if you don't like, let's say you don't need the bells, then instead of deleting them, you could just hide them so that the bells don't become a part of the um, design. And I think I want to bring this up just a little bit. So one of the things I want to tell you too is when you highlight something, let's say I highlight this top part of the Cookies for Santa. If you're using your laptop and you use the arrow keys left, right, up, down, when you highlight something, so I'm hitting the up arrow key, it will shift your text or whatever up for you. Now I'm hitting the down on my keyboard and it's bringing it down for me because sometimes, you have a problem when you're trying to move it with the mouse. And so that gives you a better, control over the movement when you use the not the shift keys, but your arrow keys on your keyboard. So just wanted to share that with you guys. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click my big circle, and my cookies here. I think I highlighted that. And just say align and center. Okay, so it may be already good to go. And then the other thing is you can also, duplicate your Santa. And then you can make it a little bit smaller. You can see I put like an image of a glass here just to give me something to work with. And you can make that smaller. And you can put your Santa on your glass to make them match. Okay, so now I have my Cookies for Santa. And for my plate, I've changed my graphic image and I've also placed it on the design for the glass as well. And then if you want to get really creative, you can make your text different colors. So you could have like a green one and then a red one. Okay, whatever works for you guys. And then I want to take there we go. All right, but again, make sure you measure your plate, make sure you measure your glass or your mug so that you make sure you have enough space when you're creating your design. So don't just go off of what you see I have on my screen. You want to make sure that it fits your particular plate or glass or mug or what have you. And then the good thing is, let's say you're working with the Santa, you know, you might want to go and start uploading some of these free Santas out here because I'm pretty sure some of them they're going to try to charge for them eventually. And you can, I went out and I took me a couple of graphics from Google that are currently free. And again, your image of your Santa, unless you're layering, it's going to be printable vinyl or sticker paper. want to change out your Santas. I'm just showing you how easy it will be if you keep that, if you go ahead and save your project. That way you don't have to start over. And then we get rid of the little Santa there because we want to make it match. Not that little Doris. Okay, so now we have our milk and cookies. We've changed the coloring. We got the green on the top, the red on the bottom. You know, if you want to keep it all red, keep it all red. But whatever works for you. If you want to change that font, then use a different font. And again, the font that I'm using is the a child's year. All right, so just wanted to show you guys that. Don't forget to go back in and group everything together here. And then for your glass, I have a real image, not real image, but I have an image of a glass, so I would hide that and then group that together. And like I said, if you're going to be using a clear plate, then I would highly suggest that you mirror the vinyl part. So the cookies, I would mirror that so that you can place them on the back side of the plate. And that way it won't be touching the actual cookies. Okay. But if you're not using a clear plate, then don't mirror for the vinyl, and the Santa Claus don't mirror. Okay. All right, guys. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out. As always, I am available to help you if you need help. And again, thank you for being a part of my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. And also thank you for being a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And if you're not a subscriber, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, guys, you know my motto, each one reach one, each one teach one. Have a great day. Bye.